I'm Micah with Gulf and Bay Marine. Gulf and Bay Dock Works is the name of our dock building division. In the last couple of years, we've really invested a lot in some of our equipment. This is a steel barge. It's only 2 years old. We work it hard. We take a lot of pride in keeping her up. And though a lot of companies would wait to do preventative maintenance, we make sure annually we do some extensive preventative maintenance because we want these things to last a long time. We want them to be efficient on your job site. But more than anything, we want to be safe for our crew. It's vital, vital, vital that we're as safe as possible on the job site. So we're making sure all our hydraulic lines are gone through, our power packs that raise and lower, the hammers. This is a 1,000-pound hammer. So once we jet the pipes, pilings into the ground to start, we put this hammer over the top of them and we pound them down as deep as they can go to make sure your dock's going to be safe and as strong as possible for the life of the dock. Care about our crew, care about our team. It's just one more detail that we add at Gulf and Bay Marine.